Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly again with Inbound Revenue. If you need any Google Ads help, let us know. Inboundrevenue.com. This is another video in our series where we look at one region, one niche, look at the local competition, see whether it's a good niche to advertise in, or a good niche to get into as an agency, how competitive we would be for a local advertiser to get into this space, how many national advertisers are there. And this time we're looking at residential cleaning in the Tampa area. So it's not the most competitive niche we've seen. 34 advertisers. We've seen up to 80 some for pool service. Let's look at how busy these ads, or how these ads are running during the 24-hour period that we looked at. So overnight, ads drop off as you'd expect, but still a fair amount running. And then up to 19 advertisers during any 1 hour in the Tampa region that we targeted. Let's look at the keywords that I use. This is a niche I'm super familiar with. Cleaning services near me, house cleaning services near me, home cleaning services, maid services, cleaning ladies. And those terms are still used and they still convert. It's generally an older audience lots of times that you're looking at with people looking for house cleaning. So let's look at our top advertisers. See who is advertising the most. Thumbtack. Okay, so that's a lead gen site. Dazzling Clean, Mary Maids, that's a national player. Clean Ladies, Care.com, Bark, another, I don't know who cares, Bark and Angie are more leads. Lead gen type sites. Let's take a look at Dazzling Clean because we know what Thumbtack's going to be about. Let's see if Dazzling Clean is a local. Same, I think I know who these guys are. They have, it's a national player of some sort where they're trying to book people in through this site. It's not really a local. You just drop in your zip code. They try to hook you up with a cleaner, and you guys have seen that sort of play before. They'll try to hook you up with a cleaner, local cleaner, and it's not truly a local service, but it's one way of getting the job done. Very marketing heavy. Okay, so that's not a local cleaner, and obviously Thumbtack is not. Mary Maids is a national cleaner. I'm curious to see just what ad copy they're running now. Schedule house cleaning now, worry-free guarantee. They do have some localized landing pages. That's smart. Some ad copy or some extensions that they're using. No offers that I can see, but they did localize their ad copy in their landing page. So that's nice. They're reasonably sophisticated. Let's see what their landing page looks like. Should be good for Mary Maids. It's not great. It's okay. If you like a lot of gray. If you like a lot of gray, this thing for you. It's got a phone number, it's got a form, it's got a phone number again, it's got a pop-up. Still not my favorite, but hey, they probably spent a lot of money on that. Let's look at the Green Ladies Cleaning Service. I don't know if that's local or not. Let's look at their ads. Affordable home cleaning will make your home spotless. Offer, okay. Excellent house cleaning services. Affordable, affordable, affordable. That seems to be their thing. Green and affordable. No offers, no numbers. Let's see where it takes us to. Benefit from professional, commercial, and residential cleaning. Man, I'm not loving this. If you need a professional housekeeper, call us. I don't know. Not my favorite. I don't think they're local. Let's look at one more. Care.com. That has to be national, right? Yeah, it's got to be. Man, this is, I would say if you're a cleaner in the Tampa area, residential cleaning services that you offer, you have got this space wide open if you want to jump in there. This is a niche that I love as well. So if you decide that you want to jump into something like this as an agency, reach out. If you guys ever need any help with your Google Ads, you know where to call. This is Mark Kelly once again. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. We'll talk to you again soon.